Hey VanGang, so today we are back with the Ulta haul. I have never did an Ulta haul on my channel, so this is the first one, and this is honestly the first order that I placed where I got a lot of items, so I'm super excited. The only thing I hate is how long it took. It took a whole entire week for it to get here. I guess I'm very spoiled because Sephora only takes 2 days. Sometimes it comes the next day, but never a whole freaking week. So I was a little annoyed, but let's get into what I got because I got a lot of goodies and I could barely remember what I ordered myself because it's been a week. So yeah, stay tuned if you'd like to see this video. So the first thing I got was the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This is the first time I'm trying this out. I probably have like only 2 Morphe palettes, and I do have a few Morphe brushes, but I don't really buy from Morphe, so I definitely wanted to try this out. I hope it's good because it was really affordable. So let me know if you've tried this in the comments, and let me know if you really like it or not. Is it last? Tell me. The next thing I got was the Makeup Revolution Retro Luxe Matte Lip Kit, and this is in the color Noble. I haven't even went through the, like, I literally just got back from shopping and I had these packages sitting here. So this is my first time looking at everything myself. Okay, so this is a little lighter than I thought it would be. It comes with a pencil and it also comes with the liquid lipstick. So I'm just gonna swatch the liquid lipstick. Yeah, this is not the color I thought it was going to be. I thought it would be a little bit deeper than this. So this is the color up close, and it's way lighter than I thought it was. So the next thing I got is the Makeup Revolution Flawless Foils, and what I thought was different about this is that it comes with this like little applicator thing. Okay, so this is an intensifying primer. I'm supposed to apply it like that. Okay, and this is the color, and oh, this reminds, oh, okay, this is kind of like the same exact formula as the ColourPop shadows. So that's what it's like, a jelly kind of formula. So that's it right here. I cannot wait to play around with these. This one is in the color Rival. So the next thing I got was the Makeup Revolution Baked Bronzer in the color Rock On World. So this is what it looks like, and I just thought it was so pretty. I'm just gonna rub it. It just looks like it has like a rose gold shift, and it's very bronzy. This is gorgeous. This is like a true bronze color. That's gonna be really nice. And then I got another one of the palettes that I absolutely love, and it's the Reloaded palettes. This one is the Reloaded Visionary palette. So this is what it looks like, and it has like a whole bunch of purples and deep colors. I thought this would be really nice in my collection because I don't have anything like this. So I'm just gonna swatch just a few colors for you really quick. Oh, it's really nice. It's pigmented, and I got this because I have a palette just like this by Makeup Revolution, and I literally use it every single day. Like, I love it. So these are the swatches that I swatched, and it came out really good. So the next thing I got is the Makeup Revolution Face Quad, and this one is an Ignite. It comes with a mirror at the top, and these are the 4 colors. Oh, that is super duper pigmented. Okay, so this one is like a pink, this one is like a rose gold, this one is like a gold, and this one is like a kind of like almost white, kind of like a champagne pearl color. Then I also got the same face quad in incandescent, and now I'm just gonna swatch these, and I'm gonna put them right below. Okay, and these ones have like iridescent shifts to them. So this one is kind of like a pearly, like purple. This one is like a champagne color. This one is again that like pink rose gold color, and this one is kind of like on the white side, like very pearly, not that like champagne pearly, like super pearly. So the next thing I got was the Morphe NC Jewel Crew eyeshadow palette. And as soon as I saw this palette, I was like, that is cute. I mean, it's not like the best palette I've seen in the world, but when I seen somebody use it, like the colors just was so pigmented that I wanted to try it out. So it comes with this huge oversized mirror at the top, and these are the colors. Super duper nice.
So these is the
oh my god, like the whole entire pan just came out of the freaking palette. The whole pan just literally fell out of the palette. But anyway, these are the colors. I do think I'm going to do a few different makeup tutorials, so I will show you that in a different video. So the next thing I got was the Saharan blush palette from Juvia's Place, and I was so happy this was on the site because the colors are just so unique. Like, look at those colors. I don't have these colors. I really needed a new orange blush, and this one is just perfect, and I don't have anything this bright, this pink, and I love how deep this color is. I love how deep this color is, and then these two would be perfect to like bronze with or use as highlighters. So I'm so happy to have this. These Japanese brushes were on sale, and this one is the duo. So this one comes with multitasker brush, which is perfect for applying, building, or buffing liquids, powders, or creams. And then it comes with the go-to brush, which blurs and buffs out concealers, powders, and creams. So I can't wait to try this out. I've never had Japanese brushes, so these are my first ones. Then I ordered some Ardell lashes, and these are the Studio Effects Wispies, and it came with 2 pair. Then I have the Aaliyah lip gloss collab with MAC. So this is what it looks like. It was on sale for like $10. That's why I picked it up. I never really wanted it, but since it was on sale, I was like, okay, because I love Aaliyah. So this is the color, and of course I'm gonna mix that in with something else, probably like my brown lip liner, Chestnut. Chestnut makes everything go together on my complexion, so I always use Chestnut. Then I picked up the Makeup Revolution, what are these? Lip toppers. This one is in Luxurious, and ooh, that's not something I would really use. It's very golden, so that literally looks like 24 karat gold. That is gorgeous, but I'm definitely gonna try this out, probably on like a nude lip. I think that would look really nice, or a pink lip. So I also picked up the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival eyeshadow palette, because this one had a lot of beautiful colors. Look at this beautiful tropical type of packaging. Is just really nice, and I believe this was only $10.50 because I think it was on sale. So it was either me get this for $10.50 or I get the Juvia's Place one for like $20 and change or something like that, or $40. But I thought these colors were so beautiful, and I wanted a colorful palette because I don't normally go for colorful palettes. So this was like perfect, and you know, the pan sizes are not as big as my other pan sizes on my other eyeshadows, but I think this is perfect because I don't usually go for color, so I don't really need humongous pans. So this is perfect for me. So whenever I want to do like a colorful look, I could go straight to this palette. And I also got this Makeup Revolution brow pomade in dark brown. I wanted to try it out because all the pomades I use are usually very expensive. So I just want to try it out. It looks very similar to Dip Down by MAC. So I cannot wait to try it out. And it's very, very dark, but it's still like chocolatey. It's not too black, so I'm excited to try this out. So because I ordered so much, I got this goodie bag of products, and I was able to choose which bag I want. So these are free deluxe size products. So the first thing they put in there were the Almay Makeup Free Zone Eye Makeup Remover Pads. So this is gonna be good. I'm definitely gonna try that out. I also have a little deluxe size of the Righteous Butter. Y'all know I love this. I already have like 2 of these in the stash, so I'm definitely loving that they put one in here. They gave me a CoverGirl Cheekers, and this is a blush in the color Iced Cappuccino. Then they put this Winky Lux Mermaid Kitten Palette. So this is what the packaging looks like, and this is the color. It's like purple. They also included the Skin Fix Calm and Repair Sleeping Mask. I cannot wait to try that out because this skin, I'm trying to get it together. Then they gave me a L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Primer. They also gave me a VitaBath Original Spring Green Moisturizing Bath and Shower Gel. They also put in there a e.l.f. Shimmer Highlighting Powder in Bronzed Glow. So I'm going to open it up to see the color. Ooh, that is pretty. Oh, I love it. So it's that like antique gold. So this is the color right here, and it's like an antique gold, and this would be so gorgeous on really, really deep skin. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. I don't really have anything like this in my collection, so I'm excited, and this feels really, really good, like good high quality. And last but not least, they gave me the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in the color Charmer 62. So I'm gonna swatch it right here. And this is absolutely gorgeous. I would definitely wear that with chestnut. Just gonna put a little bit on. I think it's really, really pretty, and that will look even better with chestnut lip liner. That's nice. Okay, so that was it for this Ulta haul. I do plan on using these products in future videos, so definitely stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you tried any of these products. Let me know if you're going to try any of these products. Let me know if you want to see any of these in a future video. I thank y'all so much for watching. As always, thumbs this video up if you liked, comment, subscribe. If you're already subscribed, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I have a new upload. I upload about 4 to 5 times a week, so definitely check back on my channel daily for new videos, and I will speak to you in my next video. Bye y'all.